Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a DIY Diya stand. But before starting the video, let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and give this video a thumbs up and also click that bell icon to get notifications. For the stand, we will need a cylindrical cardboard. Then we need gift papers and old CDs and also some decoratives, some artist and poster colors, and of course glue. So the first thing that I will do is I will take some color and paint the CDs. I will keep the reflective side as it is so that it dazzles at night. So I have painted them in different colors. So now I will take one of them. Now I will stick the beads using hot glue gun. This is just for decoration purpose. That totally depends upon you how you want your stand to look like. मेरे पास जो भी था मैंने उसी से इसको डेकोरेट किया है. सो आपके पास जो है आप वो यूज़ करो. Now for the center I will put some glue, and using my finger I will just pick up some of the small pearls and I will just drop it on the glue. एंड आवर CD इज़ रेडी. सो मैंने इसी तरीके से सभी CDs को ऐसे ही डेकोरेट कर लिया है. नाउ फॉर द स्टैंड आई विल जस्ट wrap this roll with the gift paper. So now I will mark the places where I want to put the CDs into, and accordingly I will make the cuts and insert the CDs. On the base of the cylinder I will put some glue and place it on the top of a CD so that it can stay upright. So I will put some glue on the top of the cylinder as well and place a CD over it. So this is how the stand will end up looking. The placement of the CDs totally depends upon you how you want to place them. I wanted it twisted, so I did it that way. So this is how it will look with the diyas. And with this we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching.